expecting. This thing sounds freaking great at idle. But I don't know. I'm just glad to drive it for a little bit longer and see if it grows on me. Just so that you guys can see a comparison from the stock muffler to the other exhaust. This is how much it threw off the tune. I'm logging short-term fuel trims versus long-term fuel trim mirrors, and this is what we got so far. Keep in mind, I had this tune dialed in definitely within 3%. A lot of the cells were hitting less than 0.5%, so I mean it was pretty dialed in. So here's what it looks like now. And you can see it's having to add, all the red cells are where it's adding fuel. So all those 10s are 10%. And you can see down on the bottom, long-term fuel trims are approaching 10%. So I'm gonna have to definitely make some changes when I get back to the shop. So, but I figured I'd do a little pull right quick. I'm at my spot. So here we go. It's pretty good. I think it's developed a little bit of a misfire, so when I get back I'm also going to check the spark plug wires and see if anything's going on there. And I mean, it's not bad. I can just kind of hear it miss every now and then. And I've still got a lot of dialing in to do on the tune on the top end. Obviously the cam being able to breathe now, that's throwing the top end way off. Because that pull, my wideband was actually reading like 9.9 to like 10.2. Pretty much anywhere over about 5,000 it started really getting fat. So I'm gonna have to look at the mass airflow frequencies, see if I can get that stuff dialed in, because I only have the power enrichment set to about 12.6, so it's got to be the mass airflow frequencies throwing it off. So I'm gonna get that stuff dialed in and work on that stuff. But thought you guys might like to see a little update on you know, how it's driving, and do a nice little third gear pull. And you guys heard it actually shifted into fourth. It's got 373 gears, so you can kind of figure out about how fast that was. But it was a good bit past the speedometer, so I'll leave that to you. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. Catch y'all next time. Excess power header.
Proven performance products.
They're stainless steel.
Stainless steel
Long tubes.
headers. Stainless steel.
Have cats in them.
Half cats. Off-road headers.
With catalytic converters. Well, you know, here at Rev Hard Garage, when we find dirty parts, we like to install used pre-owned high quality parts. New pre-owned. What?